This is how does everything work? Quick, clear, simple. Let's begin. Air conditioners feel like magic. On a hot day, you press a button, and suddenly cold air starts pouring into your home or car. But here's the truth. Air conditioners do not create cold air. They remove heat. That's the real secret. An air conditioner is a heat-moving machine, a system designed to pull heat out of your space and dump it somewhere else. Let's walk through how it works. Inside every air conditioner is a loop of chilled fluid called refrigerant. This refrigerant constantly cycles through four main parts: the compressor, the condenser, the expansion valve, and the evaporator coil. These four parts create a temperature-changing journey that moves heat from inside your home to the outside. Let's start at the evaporator coil, the part inside your house. Warm air from your room gets pulled in by a fan and blown across cold metal coils. Inside those coils is cold refrigerant. When warm air touches the cold coils, heat leaves the air and enters the refrigerant. The air comes out colder. The refrigerant comes out warmer. That's the first step. The refrigerant absorbs heat from your room. Next, that warm refrigerant gets sent outside to the compressor, the loud box behind your house. The compressor squeezes the refrigerant tightly. When you compress a gas, its temperature skyrockets. So now the refrigerant becomes a hot, high-pressure gas. From there, it travels through the condenser coils, the metal grill on the outside unit with the big fan. As outside air blows across these coils, the refrigerant releases the heat it stole from your home. The outside air gets warmer. The refrigerant cools down and turns back into a liquid. This is heat leaving your home and entering the outdoors. This is the entire reason AC works. Now the refrigerant, cooled but still under high pressure, moves to the expansion valve. The expansion valve suddenly lets the refrigerant spread out. When pressure drops, temperature drops. This is the same reason a can of compressed air feels freezing when you spray it. After expanding, the refrigerant becomes cold again, cold enough to repeat the cycle. Now it returns to the evaporator coil inside your home, ready to absorb more heat. This loop continues over and over. Absorb heat, compress it, release it, cool it, repeat. Air conditioners don't make cold, they move heat. Everything else is just engineering. Why does this matter? Because it explains why. Your AC drips water. It's collecting moisture from the air. Your outside unit blows hot air. It's dumping heat outside. Your AC runs longer on humid days. Moisture slows cooling. And why dirty filters ruin efficiency. They block air from reaching the cold coils. The entire system is based on one idea. Move heat from where you don't want it to where you don't care. That's how an air conditioner creates cold air, by removing heat from your world, one loop at a time. If this helped you understand the world a little better, tap subscribe. There's a lot more to learn, and we're just getting started.